If you're adding sensors or accessories, don't butcher your Holley EFI main harness. Use the Power Tap. It's a built-in plug that gives you easy access to power and ground so you can add stuff without cutting or splicing the main harness. You get a clean install that looks factory and works right without wiring headaches later. Inside the connector, you'll find 4 useful wires. A chassis ground, this is the solid black wire. A sensor ground/reference, this is the black and white stripe wire. A 5-volt reference output that's useful for sensors that need a stable 5-volt supply. This wire is orange. And a switched 12-volt output wire that's live when the engine is running. This wire is red or green depending on which main harness you're using. The purpose of the Power Tap is to make adding stuff easy. Instead of cutting into the main harness or splicing into critical circuits, you plug straight into the Power Tap to get sensor power, ground, and a switched 12-volt source. People use it for things like flex fuel sensors, dome pressure sensors, alternator exciter leads, or other aftermarket EFI-related electronics that need a clean power, ground, or reference without messy splices. The main advantages are that it keeps the main harness intact and uncluttered. No splicing into your Holley EFI or Terminator X wiring harness. It gives you clean, Holley-provided reference voltages and power. These reduce noise and voltage drops from sensors. It helps speed up wiring for add-on sensors and accessories, and simplifies troubleshooting since you're not making splices into the main harness. Some considerations to note are the 12-volt output source is intended for low current devices or used as a relay trigger. It isn't fully fused for high amp accessories. It's tied to the EFI power circuit, so using it for heavy loads isn't ideal without proper fuses or relays. If you misuse the 5-volt reference, like powering non-EFI sensors that draw current, you can upset the ECU's sensor reference stability. 5-volt lines are meant for high impedance sensors, not big loads. If you do plan to add sensors or small accessories, using the Power Tap from your EFI harness makes life easier and cleaner than do-it-yourself splices. To learn more about Holley EFI, visit us at holley.com.